Good morning. Good morning, TP Nation. This is TP Dad. Hey, on today's video, on these videos, please comment, please like and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, we do cooking, we do reviews of different products. We show yard work, we show the animals on the homestead. So today we're going to review my new camera. You've already seen one of the videos of the Eufy camera, the Solo 40, the outdoor camera that is self-charged by the sun. Well, I decided to upgrade to a much bigger camera. I like the Eufy Solo Cam. It is wonderful. I love it. I love it. I love it. But what I did, I decided to get a floodlight. The Eufy camera, it's stationary. It's just in one place. But on today's video, I want to show you the unboxing of my new camera, which is the Floodlight camera. It is the 360-degree camera. It is 2K full HD Floodlight camera. It has a rotating camera that goes 360 degrees. So let's get into the open box. Come on, let's open it up and see what it looks like. It has not been opened just yet. If you're considering buying one of these cameras, do some research and reviews and look at some of my other videos as it relates to the open boxes and you will see. All right, so here is our first time opening it up. It's taped all the way around. All right, let's open it up. All right. It is this Eufy 360-degree camera. All right. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, man, look at this. Look at this. This comes a nice bunch of plastic. Look at nice housing. All right. So this is what it comes like in the box. All right. It's pretty big. Ah, man. You see this? Let's put the camera right here. A little blue box. This is what you install with. That's pretty much inside the box. All right, let's open the blue box up and see what comes on the inside. I think it's very important for you to have security around your house. In today's times that we're living in, we have a lot of thievery going on around our neighborhoods. And, by me working in law enforcement, outside camera has been one of the helping devices to help law enforcement track down the thieves or persons who commit crime on your property. So I encourage all of you to go out and get some form of a camera. All right, so in this bag, comes in this little box right here, it comes a bag, mounting brackets, a USB cord, some screws in this bag. In here, 24-hour monitoring sticker, support. Eufy gives you their warranty. In here is a quick start guide to getting everything mounted. It comes with a charging cable, mounting plate, installation hook and string, a central screw, center screw cap, wire nut, and plate screws. The tools that you will need is a crosshead screwdriver, a USB power adapter. Now watch this. They do not give you the power adapter, but they do give you the USB cord in the bag. You have to get your own adapter. I think that's just for charging purposes. But here is the USB cord that comes with it. And it's all from Anchor. Anchor and Eufy is the same company. Let's see here. All right, so here we have our Eufy camera. Let's see. It's called the 360-degree camera coverage. It's doesn't actually give you a model number. It says security. Do not stare at the light directly. Do not place any flammable material close to the light. Remove the light cover after mounting. All right, so here is the light right here. And it has adjustable floodlight. Well, here's the camera. And so I guess you mount the camera up like this. Here is now this is a hardwired camera. The Solo 40 that I have, it is a battery powered camera. It is charged by the sun. But with this version, you have to hardwire it. So you will need an electrician, or if you know how to do it yourself, that's fine. But you will need someone to wire this up. It has the 3 cords, the neutral, the ground, and the positive, the green, black, and white. I know how to do that myself. So I'll install this, and you will see a video of me installing this. So it has 3 floodlights on it. You can adjust them with the little screws here. You can turn them to adjust them. However you want, you can adjust the lights. You can bring the lights out. On the bottom, it has screws, little twisties that you can twist, I guess, to loosen the camera, the floodlights up so you can move them around. So as you see, if you want to mount the camera something like this, you can, to have the light. Now this is just the blue plastic covering, I guess, protecting the camera. We're not going to take that off right now because I'm not ready to mount today. I got a lot of other things that are going on the homestead, but I just wanted to give you a preview of the new camera. I think it's going to be nice. I'm going to place the other camera on the side of my house so I can have pretty much coverage on the side and the front. But the camera is built pretty nice, man. It's kind of heavy. Let's see what's back here in the back. I don't know what that is. Okay, we got to figure out what that is. But you mount it up on your property like this. I guess you can. So one of the things I'm trying to figure out is obviously this camera. Well, you could probably mount it however you want. Let me see. Push this button. There's a button right here. And you push this button. Oh, okay. Yeah. So when you push this button, it's a button right here. You push that button and this part comes up in case you want to mount it flush up against the wall. So that's what I was kind of wondering. What if I didn't have an undercarriage to mount? But so there it is right there. There's the button that you push if you want to mount it flush up against the wall. And that's what we will be doing. It will go flush up against my garage. Because I was thinking at first, you know, it seems like you got to mount it up to something like that. But then, you know, I saw this button right here and I pushed it in and it opens this part up. So all you do is you just mount it on the wall like this and the camera will be out like that. And here's the camera right here. And this camera spins 360 degrees. But unfortunately, if you put it on your garage, it's not going to go to the back because it go up against the bricks or whatever exterior finish that you have on your house. But this will allow me to pan all the way left on my property, pan all the way right on my property. Now, with the Eufy camera, I can pretty much already see on my property. But with this, I just wanted to add some extra coverage. And then I might not even put it on the front of my house. I might put it on the back of my house. I might do that. I don't know just yet. But I did think about putting this on the front with the floodlight. So I may do that. I don't know just yet, but you will definitely see the video of what we're going to do. The quality of this is built very well. I like the quality of it. It's built nice, man. Really, it's heavy. It's heavy duty. You can tell it's built for longevity. It's pretty tight. Let's see. Yep. So I think this is going to be a nice addition to the homestead here on Taylor's Pride. Once again, this is the Eufy 360-degree camera. It is 2K full HD camera. It has live video recording history, instant notification, multi-user access, smart alarm, activity zones, reduce false notifications, and it does have two-way audio. Just like the Eufy, the solo cam that I have, the solar powered, it has two-way audio also. You can press a button and you can talk to anybody that's outside, and this camera has the same thing. It has the two-way audio. So guys, this completes our open box today, our review of the Eufy 360-degree camera. Stay tuned for the installation video where you will see me install this here on the homestead. Want to say thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride. Please click the like button. Please, please, please comment. Please click the like button and the comment. We're trying to just make some videos that will help the average person like myself, the average person, or if you want to call yourself average person, do home things around their property. It's just a blessing to have you all be a part of our channel. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to Taylor's Pride. Y'all have a great day. Look for the video of installing the Eufy 360-degree camera. Peace. I love y'all.